Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. I am Jyoti here. Today I am discussing with you input and output devices, that is chapter number 3 in your computer book. So first of all, students, please open page number 22 and pick up pencils in your hand. Those lines, those important things I want to share with you, you can underline in your book. Clear students? So chapter name is input and output devices. As you know that your previously chapter you are discussed with input process and output units, and in this chapter this is only on input and output devices. So first of all we are discussed with input devices, and here is page number 22. The very first line, the data and the instructions that we enter into the computer is called input device. So please underline this line because that is the instruction and introduction part of input devices. The device that help in entering the data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. So now I want to discuss some input devices. So go through with this chart. It's input devices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have prepared 6 pictures that I introduced to input devices. So first of all, here is keyboard. Keyboard, you all are familiar with this picture because keyboard is an input devices which is used to type the words, letters and numbers, etc. So these are some keys, alphabets, numerical also. So you can use with these keys and write the input on your computer. So our next device is mouse. Mouse is also input devices, and that is also called the pointing device. Clear students? That is add in here page number 23. A mouse is an input device which is used to draw the picture, images and logos. Clear students? Our next input device is joystick. Joystick, it is a very interesting input device because students and children are used to playing games. So this device is used to playing games mostly in your computer. So next one is scanner. Scanner is an input device which is used to copy and send image to a computer, and that is used for photographs, form of photographs, drawings and logos also. Our next device is webcam. Webcam is used to capture the photographs. Clear students? This is a camera. So that should be used obviously for photographs. And last one is touch screen. This is a touch screen. You all are familiar with this input equipment because touch screen is an input device through which the data is entered by simply touching the screen and you get the output. Clear student? So these are the input devices according to your chapter. Our next topic is page number 24, output devices. So output devices, first of all we want to introduce for output devices. Output devices that has been processed in a useful way in your future use. So here is also in my hand there is some pictures of output devices. Okay, then I clarify all the output devices according to my chart with you. So first of all, here is monitor. Monitor means that is the first and important thing from your output device. So you will be seeing the result in their screen. Clear? So monitor is an output device which is used to display the output on its screen, and information on monitor is also referred as soft copy. Clear students? Our next device is printer. According to your book, I want to introduce you output devices. So next is printer. A printer is also output device, and that is given the hard copy. that is also very important thing for your future use, because the information we get as a printout on a paper, that is called also hard copy. Next one is speaker. Speaker are an output device. They are used to give output in the form of sound. Listening the song, listening music, videos, whatever you want. So you can use the speaker. That is also the output device. So next, I prepared two more that are also output devices. First is on here, projector. Projector, for example, many classrooms use data projector so that all students can easily see the teacher's presentation in a large screen. Clear, students? So last one is headphones. Headphone, that is also output device. It is used to listen the voice, listen the sound, listen music. You can put at your ears and see the output and listen the output by through this headphones. Clear, student? So I am discussing with you input and output devices. So this is included in your chapter, output and input devices. I am clarifying. Hope you all will understand both the things, input and output device. Now I want to share you the exercise portion from your book. Page number 25. Please open the page number 25. Here I mention exercise portion. Okay. In part 1 there is a tick the correct answer. Part A. Here is tick the correct answer. I already discussed with you in my video input and output devices, and it is very easy to solve. So please see the video 2 or 3 times and revise your chapter maximum 3 or 4 times, and then you will be able to write the proper answer. Clear? It's a very easy part A from your exercise. And the next is part B. Here is name the following. So like that, the instruction we give to the computer, that is obviously input. So right answer is input. The information we get from the computer, information that you get from your future use, that is output device. Clear? So next, device used as pointing device, that is also known as mouse. Device used to listen the song. You are listening the song according to my chart. I am already discussed with you, that is a speaker. And last one, device used to type words, that is input device, keyboard. Clear, students? I hope you all will understand. And part C. Here is some pictures for input and output devices. You just put the I from input parts and O from output parts and solve this C part also. Part D. This is a true false, page number 27. And this is also very easy. Read the concept clearly, read the chapter once again and write true or false. Which statement is true and which statement is false. And last one is answer the following. Part E. Okay, this is the last portion from your book. Part E, I already discussed with you. Name the following question is there. Name any one input and output device. So write the simple their names. What is the use of keyboard? I already marked the answer from your book portion. And which is the use of a printer? Printer is used to get output on a paper. So this is the simple answer. Clear, everyone? Hope you all will understand for this chapter. Again, go through this book and this chapter. Thank you and have a good day.